Alright. Sure everybody knows this car, my little friends group in my circle. Big Daddy Gerling. Ain't got no motor in, but he wants to get her cleaned up. I start getting busy after a while. He's trying to get her to go to a race. They want me to do my magic to it. He said, "Can I bring it over?" Sure. He said, "Ain't got no motor in it." Ah, no problem. That's fine. We'll figure it out. Give her a bath, and push her in the garage, and get busy on it. Probably gonna put another coat of ceramic on it. Been a couple years. He puts it through hell. It sees everything. So we're gonna get her, bring her back around, and get her cleaned up again, get her shining, so he can do some wheelies and all the other stuff he does. So, pretty cool car. I've been on this car since I was probably 12 years old. Me and my brother used to run around. We were coming over to the house all the time, making a lot of noise leaving. Thought it was pretty cool. Alright, I'll give you updates later when it's done. See y'all later.